Did you ever notice how much of your life is spent just going somewhere? Driving to work, driving back home, sitting in traffic. Days turn into weeks, weeks into years, and most of it feels the same. Not because life is boring, but because we're always rushing, thinking about what's next instead of noticing where we are right now. If you add it all up, commuting alone can take years of your life. Years spent worrying, replaying problems, chasing deadlines. We tell ourselves it's normal, that this is just how life works, but no one really teaches us to stop and ask, is this the only way to live or just the fastest one? Travel changes that feeling. Not only big trips, but any moment where time slows down, a different road, a quiet place, a view that makes you pause. Suddenly you're present again. You remember that life isn't something waiting in the future. It's happening right now, in this exact moment. In those moments, money loses its power. Status disappears. Stress fades into the background. You realize how little you actually need to feel alive. A calm mind, a breath, movement. Peace doesn't come from rushing harder. It comes from allowing yourself to slow down. We are taught how to make money, but not how to protect our time. Yet time is the only thing you can never get back. Every minute spent tense or distracted is gone forever. So sometimes the most important decision is choosing presence over pressure. So next time you're driving, don't rush. Notice the road, the rhythm, the fact that you're here. Even an ordinary journey can become a moment of awareness, because travel isn't escaping life, it's remembering to live it. And your life isn't later, it's now. We spend so much time planning life that we forget to actually live it, always waiting for the right moment, more money, less stress. But life doesn't start when everything is perfect. It starts when you decide to be present, even in the middle of an ordinary day, on an ordinary road, heading somewhere familiar. The world is bigger than our routines, bigger than our fears, bigger than our to-do lists. Travel reminds us of that. It shows us different ways of living, different rhythms, different priorities, and sometimes all it takes to feel free again is changing direction, even slightly. Rest is not laziness. Slowing down is not failure. Taking time for yourself is not falling behind. In a world that never stops moving, choosing calm is a quiet form of courage. Because when your mind slows down, you start hearing what really matters. One day you'll look back at moments like this. A simple drive, a quiet thought, a passing view. And you'll realize these were not wasted minutes. They were your life. So breathe. Stay curious. Keep exploring. Not to escape the world, but to feel truly alive in it. Make memories, not someday, now. Because life isn't measured in money or speed, but in moments you remember. Laughter, silence, roads taken without a plan. We are only guests here, passing through for a short while. So use this time gently, wisely, fully. Explore when you can. Rest when you need to. And don't forget, this life was meant to be lived.